Yet again my AliExpress order arrived today, part 1 of 2. I pre-opened the packaging so it will be easier to show them to you. I ordered imitation gold foils in multiple colors. These will be perfect for my resin pieces. I got red, black, blue, purple, green, etc. They were so nice enough to send me a free item, which is a necklace, very pretty.
Baby, you could be the juiciest and sweetest peach, and there's still gonna be somebody who doesn't like peaches. But that doesn't mean you're not a delicious peach.
Pink or blue?